Hello everyone, this is Prashant Chaudhary. I welcome you all to my chat classic Power App. In this video, we're implementing the interesting capability of this Power Platform, which is announced in Microsoft Build 2022 event. In this feature, we can create the application just by uploading the image. That image is containing the UI part or the user interface of the application. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'm just navigating to my screen. Okay, so here you can see on the home screen of this Power Platform, you have the different options to proceed with the application. Either you can start with a blank app by selecting the data words, any database, SharePoint, Dataverse, Excel, SQL, and now you can see there are two different things that have recently added. All they are in preview, but it would be in general ability after some time. Okay, so here you can see we have the option to proceed with the application with by using image or the Figma. Image is just like a file that is in the png or maybe jpg. You know what is the meaning of the image, and the Figma is actually a file that is a type of Figma is a tool that is used to create the prototype of the applications. Okay, so in this video I'm just focusing only on the image. So in my demo I have used two different image. One image that I have drawn the UI part of the application on a pen and paper and simply click the pic of that paper. Okay, and I'm just going to use that one. And on the another one, I have created the UI part on the PowerPoint slide and took the snapshot of that. Okay, so first we proceed with the pen and paper image. Okay, so we click on this next. So here I have the option to give a good name. So I'm just giving image testing app. And here you have the option to upload your own image or start with the sample images. Sample images are the image that is given by the Microsoft or maybe any other. So I'm just going to use my own image. Here you have the option to upload the file. So I have one whose name was uh, maybe print or something like that. Okay, so here you can see this is the pen. This is the just a normal page on which I have drawn the UI part of the application. Okay, so I'm just going to use that one only. So just open it. Once that pic would be added, it would give you the right format, whether it belongs to the tablet or it should belong to the phone. So it give me a phone as the recommendation, so I proceed with that one only. Next, now the system analyze the image and try to fetch the different components of the image that are there on the image. Okay, so I can see I have some labels. So these are the highlighted labels that whenever I hover on this component, I can see the colors are changing. Okay, so from where I can simply conclude that which portion is covered and which portion is needs to cover actually. Okay, so we click on this text label. I can see that all text labels are properly fetched. Text input, first one and second for the name and for the age, text input is there. Okay, third one is the date picker and it is highlighting for the gender, but it should not be. For the gender we have three options, so it should belong to the radio. Okay, so what we do is simply change this. We click on this one, and here I have the option to change the component to radio. I click on this radio, and now I can see radio is there. Okay, that's how it actually works. Later on the fourth one, it hasn't fetched this one, and this I'm just trying to highlight the toggle. Okay, so I try to fetch this like that and say this is what this is the toggle. Okay, right now this model is needs to be trained little more. Okay, that's why it is not fetching everything. Some component is it's fetching very well. Later we have the dob. For the dob it should be date picker. Okay, so we'll try to catch this one as well. Okay, and it should be date picker. So we have the option of date picker. Now I can see we have two buttons, submit and cancel. Now you can say everything is going good. Now I can click on this next. Here it is giving whether you would like to create the new table in the Dataverse or you would like to skip this step. So let's create the table because it's the easiest way, I think. So now you can see for the name it is given taken text, for the age text, for gender text, Indian. For this the fourth one, it has taken numeric. Okay, because it has the toggle button. So by default it has taken, although it don't have any relation with the component that you have attached. Okay, so just you can't change it for now. Maybe yes, you can't change it. Only you can, what you can do, only the you can change the name of your table. Okay, so we can change the maze testing app and table. This is my table. Okay, app table table. Okay, so it's like that, like you can't change the data type of the columns. Okay, this is the thing that I think Microsoft needs to be fixed in the further versions. So next click. So although it is also giving you one more time, like these are the schema name, display name, and the data types of the columns. Now create. Now it created the table in the dataverse. Also it is creating the application. Okay, so it takes little time, so let's wait and see what happened. So in this example I have used the pen and paper drawn image. Okay, once it would be done, I'll show you by using the proper image that I have created using the PowerPoint slide. Okay, okay, so the app has created now, and it is opening the app in the edit mode in the Power App editor. Okay, okay, so here you can see I have the name, I have the age, there's radio button for the gender, for is Indian, for we have the toggle, and we have the DOB, and we have the buttons. So we can conclude that the image has used to create the UI of the application. Now, in order to get the functionality in that UI, you need to simply add the functions. Okay. If I click on this form, I can see everything is under form only. Okay. If I click on this form summit, if I click on this play, okay, it is there. Mm-mm. Okay. So in order to make this work functional, you need to just add the functions and all. Okay, so in this video I'm just trying to explaining you like how we can create the UI part from the images. Now we create one more image where I would be using the, let's click on the back. I don't want to save it, don't save for now. Okay, now I'm just using different one. So image testing, and upload my own, and now I have the one who's I have created using the PowerPoint. So it should be some, yeah. So here you can see this one, this PowerPoint image. That one is actually I have created on the PowerPoint slide. Okay, I have used different colors to see whether the color would move on the screen or not, and everything is there. And also you can notice the previous one is in the portrait mode, so it has taken the mobile version. So for this one it should take the tablet version. Okay, so let's open it and see. So it has taken tablet as recommended by default. Okay, now click on the next. So it has start fetched all the components. So let's try to figure it out. For the labels, it has taken all the labels very well. I think. Yes, all labels are there. Oh yes, and later we have the text input. It has taken three text input. So for the dob as well, it has taken text input. Okay, so we need to just change it to date picker. Date picker for, and for this one, okay, for Xender it has taken it as a button, but it is not a button, it is a radio button. Okay, so we need to click on this and we need to change it to radio. Now it hasn't fetched this control, so this is, what is that, it is the toggle. Is the toggle, and these two are the buttons. Yes, it is fetched very well. Now next, and now I'm not creating the table. Okay, so we skip for now. Now see whether the system create the colorful UI or not, because for the last example that picture was not colorful. All everything was designed in a on a single pen that was in the blue, and in this example I have used different colors. So let's see. So app has created and it has opened the editor. So here I can see everything is there on good, but there is no color difference. It means it doesn't matter whether your image is colorful in nature or not, it will give you the default colors. Okay, next is, it doesn't matter what is the font size you are adding in your image. Okay, if I open show you my image, where is that? Mm, it should be somewhere like, yeah, see, the previous image was like that, and oh, not this one, and this image is like that. So I have used different sizes of text, different colors, but if I come to the application, everything is in the default nature. Okay, yeah, toggle is there, transgender, everything is in the, this is the radio, this is the date picker, text inputs, and everything. And now if you would like to make this app as functional in nature, you need to just add the functions that you can design very well. Okay, so guys, that is all. Okay, so we have seen how we can use the images to create the application. Okay, so hope that thing would really work well in the power applications. And if you have any queries in this, please write on the comment section, or you can also contact me over my LinkedIn. I'll try to figure it out. Okay, so thank you everyone, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.